Have you ever wondered what makes us humans so unique? What gives us the ability to create, to dream, to love, and even to fear? The answer lies within our heads, or more precisely, our brains. A complex organ, the human brain is the seat of intelligence, interpreter of senses, initiator of body movements, and controller of behavior. The human brain, like an intricate labyrinth, consists of numerous parts, each with its own set of functions. To understand this fascinating organ, imagine it as a walnut. Just like a walnut, the brain has two halves or hemispheres. These hemispheres are not identical, but they do talk to each other through a thick bundle of nerve fibers at the base, known as the corpus callosum. The brain's outer layer, known as the cerebral cortex, is responsible for our most advanced thinking. It's like the brain's command center, controlling everything from language to creativity. This cortex is divided into four main regions or lobes: the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Each lobe has its own unique functions, much like different departments in a company. The frontal lobe, located at the front of the brain, is the CEO. It's in charge of problem-solving, decision-making, and planning. The parietal lobe, located at the top of the brain, is like the mailroom, processing sensory information it receives from the body. The occipital lobe at the back of the brain is like the art department responsible for vision. Finally, the temporal lobe, located on the sides of the brain, is like the PR department, managing hearing and memory. Beneath the cerebral cortex, we have the limbic system, the brain's emotional control center. It includes the amygdala, associated with fear response, and the hippocampus, involved in memory formation. At the base of the brain sits the brainstem, the oldest part of our brain. It acts as a relay center, connecting the brain and the spinal cord. It also controls automatic functions like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. Now, imagine our brain as a super busy city, with billions of neurons or nerve cells acting as the citizens. These neurons communicate with each other via electrical and chemical signals, creating a vast network of communication lines, much like the internet but within our heads. To summarize, our brain, this 3-pound organ, controls our thoughts, memory, speech, and movements. It regulates the function of many organs in the body, from the cerebral cortex, which handles our complex thinking, to the limbic system, the seat of our emotions, to the brainstem that controls our basic life functions. Each part of the brain has a role to play in making us who we are. In the grand scheme of things, we are only beginning to understand the complexities of the human brain. So the next time you marvel at a beautiful painting, remember a loved one, or even just take a breath, take a moment to appreciate the wonder that is your brain. If you found this journey through the human brain intriguing, do share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more fascinating insights into the world around us. Until next time, keep wondering, keep learning.